This 120-year-old Tsukiya-style residence in the heart of Kyoto's historic Gion district in Higashiyama ward has been restored as an exclusive private villa for up to 6 guests. Slide open the oak gate on a quiet Higashiyama side street and enter a world that most visitors to Kyoto will never know. River stones lead you through a garden patio to the entrance hall, where shoes give way to slippers. Welcome to Hotel VMG Villa, Kyoto. This is authentic Kyoto, experienced in an intimate and personalized way. The villa stands on Nene no Michi, the stone path named for the wife of Toyotomi Hideyoshi, the warlord who built Osaka Castle. It sits between Yasaka Shrine and Kodaiji Temple, in what was Japan's first designated preservation district for traditional buildings. A long corridor runs the length of the ground floor. To the left as you enter sits the tea room. Ahead, the main salon opens through floor-to-ceiling sliding doors onto the garden, with traditional wooden geta slippers waiting should you wish to walk among the moss and river stones, the stone lanterns and maple trees. The visual harmony is a delight, inside and outside become one, the garden framed like a living painting that shifts with the light. As the day moves, the paper screens catch the changing sun and create their own shadow play. The villa has 4 bedrooms of various sizes spread across its 2 floors, including the master suite. The beds sit low, Japanese style on tatami, but are dressed Western fashion with duvets and fine linens. The main bathroom has a deep soaking tub, an enormous shower, and vintage glass windows looking out onto an internal bamboo garden. Breakfast is taken at Heian Shrine, a short transfer from the villa. This magnificent garden is the backdrop for an unforgettable start to your day. A table is set overlooking Shurinen, the Garden of the Gods, with views across the pond to Taihekaku, the elegant, roofed bridge that was once an imperial gift. For dinner, Kiwami is the address. The omakase counter sits within Akagane Resort Kyoto Higashiyama 1925, another historic building with its own Japanese garden. Chef Shu Ishii trained in Switzerland before returning to Japan, and his cooking reflects this unusual path. He has personality too, guiding you through each course with evident pride. The setting, the food, the quiet theater of the counter, another magical experience of staying at Hotel VMG Villa, Kyoto. Kyoto is a popular international destination. The main streets of the historic Gion district can be busy during the day. But staying at VMG Villa puts you inside the old town as a resident. You wake to silence. You walk to Yasaka Pagoda at 7 in the morning, the sky just beginning to warm, the streets empty save for a few visitors and, unexpectedly, wedding photographers. Couples in traditional dress or wedding clothes pose at magical spots while professionals capture the moment. It is an insight into the culture, this impulse to mark life's passages in beautiful places, and at that hour you have the streets almost to yourself. There is no staff in the house, one enjoys total privacy. The concierge team at the nearby VMG Resort Kyoto greets you on arrival with traditional sweets, warm aromatic hand towels and refreshments.